Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull paper trading. Webull's paper trading feature offers a fantastic way to hone your trading skills in a risk-free environment. It's a simulated account that mirrors real market conditions, allowing you to practice buying and selling various assets like stocks and options. You'll have access to all the same powerful tools and features found in a live trading account, making it an invaluable resource for both new and experienced traders to test strategies and build confidence. Getting started with paper trading on Webull is quite straightforward. First, simply navigate to the paper trading section, which is easily accessible from both the mobile app and the desktop platform. Once there, you can activate your paper trading account, which typically comes preloaded with a substantial virtual balance, often $1 million. This allows you to immediately begin exploring different asset classes, such as stocks and options, and practice placing trades without any financial risk. Once your paper trading account is set up, you can begin executing simulated trades. You'll place buy and sell orders for various instruments, just as you would in a live account. It's crucial to actively monitor your portfolio's performance, tracking your virtual profit and loss in real time. Don't forget to experiment with advanced order types, such as limit orders and stop orders, to understand how they can help you manage risk and refine your overall trading strategy effectively. To truly maximize your learning, delve into Webull's advanced features. Experiment with the wide array of technical indicators and charting tools to analyze market trends and identify potential entry and exit points. Crucially, practice sound risk management by setting stop-loss and take-profit levels on your simulated trades. Remember to regularly review your past trades, both successful and unsuccessful, to gain valuable insights and continuously improve your decision-making process for future trading endeavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.